Hello guys, welcome back to Bicycle Adventures. So today I'm off out a little journey up to somewhere called Rudyard Lake. It's like a reservoir, it's a canal feed I think, something like that, I don't know. I got a little surprise in my bag. So I'm going to ride up there now, it's about 8 miles, and I'll speak to you when I'm up there guys. Catch you in a bit. Welcome back. So I'm at Rudyard now. Yeah, exhausted. 8 point something miles I've done in not even an hour. So yeah, it's good. Oh dear. So like I was saying, I received something in the post today. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have something to eat, have a drink, catch my breath. I'll come back to you in a minute and show you what I've got in my bag. Alright, I'll see you in a bit guys. Peace. Yo guys, right, so come somewhere a bit quieter. So I'm in this group called The Great Outdoors TV on Facebook. It's run by a chap called Joss, who is also a YouTuber. It's a nice group, everybody's friendly. So yeah, if this is your kind of thing, jump on there. I'm sure you'll be welcome. Basically what it is, we've been doing a challenge, a mystery box challenge, where we've all been nominated somebody and we've had to send gifts to that person, and I've received mine, so I'm going to do my unboxing now. I'll put a link for Joss's channel in the description and a link for the Facebook in the description. So let's open it, see what's off. What other note as well? So you have to mind me reading. Not really good at reading. I know this channel. It says, "Hi Sam, here's your mystery box parcel. I hope you like it. Don't forget to mention the Great Outdoors TV Facebook group and upload your unboxing video to YouTube and the Facebook page. My channel is called Spoon Angel Makes. For you to give it a mention, there you go. I'll put a link in the description to Spoon Angel Makes. I think I already am subbed to this channel. A message: hello Sam, I hope you enjoy your mystery goodies. I have tried to get together a few bits that are compact and fairly lightweight. Hopefully you can use them on your cycling adventures. Best wishes, Lindsay." Thank you. Let's see what's in the mystery box. Wow. Loads. A little something to carry your essentials. Nicely wrapped, by the way. Very nicely wrapped. Should I... They agree with them all. Little squishy. The condiment set, that's what it is. Condiment set. Oh god. Damn. For a rainy day. Put a lot of thought into this, thank you very much. Love how you wrapped everything. Oh. Ponchos. Emergency ponchos. Thank you. What's this one say? A seasoning essential for your travels. God. Salt and pepper shakers. They're good, them are. Thank you. I love gifts. Makes me feel like Christmas all over again. Wow, loads of stuff in here. Jesus. Cooking with spirit. What's this? Oh my god. It's a, oh, what's it called now? I know it's a stove. That's mint. Thank you. Was in a little pouch. Thank you very much. There's loads of things in here. A whole kitchenware in one. Put a lot of thought into this, I really appreciate it. Oh my god. Make sure that's down. Like a canteen thing, I think. Oh. Yeah. Oh my god. Got microfiber and everything. A little cup. That's nice. What's in there? Fork. Spoon. Knife. And a little pouch. really cool. Oh, I think the microfiber's in the way. 2 seconds. Yeah. Oh, just going off to move all the string and paper and then right, done then. Do this first. No. No. 2 seconds. Let me just shove this paper in my bag. I like how you wrap this, really, really thoughtful. It is really thoughtful. This one is heavy. A YouTube review is a must. It's heavy. Proper heavy. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's a ration pack. I've actually been wanting to do a ration pack. Vegetarian sausage, egg, beans, spicy Mexican tuna pasta. That's mint. Thank you very much. There's this. It's finally a plug for me and a gift for the kids. Bunting. Spoon Angel. Angel and Bunting shop. So yeah, Spoon Angel has actually got a shop. SpoonAngelBuntingShop.co.uk. Go along, check the bunting out. Some bunting. So yeah. Wow. Lindsay, I mean, not Leslie. Sorry. Thank you very much. I really, really appreciate that. I like everything in it. I couldn't have asked for anything better. So thank you very much. Just remember, go along to Spoon Angel Makes. I'll put a link in the description below. Yeah, it's just amazing. Thank you very much. Just remember, Joss's channel will be in there as well. And the Great Outdoors TV Facebook group will be there as well. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to leave you with some scenes around the lake. It's a big lake, so it might take me a while. The lake is, I don't know. Rudyard Kipling, the guy who wrote the Jungle Book, was actually named after this lake. His mum and dad came up for an holiday or something and decided to name him after the lake. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the scenes. Thank you very much for the stuff, Lindsay. Just remember, Spoon Angel Makes. Thank you very much, guys. Peace.